Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to use two Snapchat account in one Samsung phone. So I am showing this method in my Samsung phone. So as you can see guys, already I have one Snapchat account. So now I want to handle the two Snapchat account in my one phone. So for this guys, in your Samsung phone you can get the built-in option feature of dual messenger. For this guys, you need to set up this. So open the phone settings like this and scroll down and find out advanced feature and open it like this. Okay, and then here guys, scroll down, here you can get the option dual messenger. Just tap on it. Okay, from here guys, you need to select Snapchat, enable this, and then tap on install. So it will install the duplicate copy of your Snapchat. Okay, after installing guys, close this and open your app settings. Here you can get two Snapchat app. As you can see guys, one is here, one is here. Okay, so now you need to open the new one like this. Now it will ask you to add your phone number, account details, sign up details, everything. Just enter it and then you can use the two Snapchat account in the same phone. Okay, so this is the very nice feature. So this feature I have shown you in my Samsung device. So in case if you have different device, so let's try on the device the feature is available or not. Okay, so that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.